In rapidly changing markets, to get ahead in the energy transition, utilities are enabling the digital transformation within their organizations. In this context, utilities are reviewing their key processes, such as the meter reading, one of the most relevant. Companies carry out a huge amount of meter readings every day, which are extremely time-consuming and may lead to mistakes and incorrect billing. Some meter models are hard to read or located in places not easy to reach by technicians. Utilities need to be prepared for a highly digitized future, improving and automating their processes. OverIT is the solution. The next-gen FSM platform brings digital transformation to the heart of utilities, which can now enter a new era of meter readings. Capturing the area of interest with the camera. The Computer Vision Meter Reading Assistant feature allows companies to automatically read, identify, and measure data, even offline. Data are collected and the forms are filled in automatically, directly by technicians in the field. The data collected are then transmitted to the system, avoiding the dispersion of information. OverIT, the trusted partner to pave the way for the introduction of innovative features needed for expediting the execution of tasks, improving processes, and creating sustainable enterprises. OverIT Next-Gen FSM Platform 2022 Wave 3. You ask, we deliver.